Three quick tips on identifying if you had a lawn sprinkler evaluation done in the past was good or not so good. We first want to ask ourselves, do we know where our backflow device is? Do we know how it works? Do we know how to shut it off? And how is it connected to the house water? Does it keep the drinking water clean or not? Number one. Number two, do we know the flow rates of our drip lines, of our sprinkler heads, our rotor heads? How are they affecting the area when it comes to runoff? With our soils being so compact, clay loam's got a saturation rate of only 1/4 of an inch per hour. How are we getting green spots in this area, dry spots in these other areas? And number three, do we know how to comfortably adjust our controllers? Our area has lots of huge seasons. So in the winter, we want to dramatically be reducing our water output, as well as in the spring, the summer, and the fall. They all have different seasonal percentages that are needed. So on our controllers, we've got a category called water budget or seasonal percentage that we can quickly adjust for those different seasons, reducing our water bill by thousands. So if you're not familiar with any one of those three or all three, you might want to ask yourself, was that a proper evaluation or not? Those are just a few quick tips by us here at H2ORX. We are here to save Texas water.